आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
भारतीय महिला बँकेचे मंगळारात सांतिनेज वाठारात उक्तावण जाले. गोंयांत पहिलेच फावट महिला बँक सुरू जाल्या.
Opened our 14th branch at Goa. I mean the first branch of Goa at Panjim. Certainly we are looking to opening one or two more branches in the next year. Maybe we would like to go into the interiors, looking for some good centers in Goa where women dominated groups, so that the real benefit passes on to them.
इस्कॉनच्या गोंय फाट्यान 6वो जागृती 2014 हो आध्यात्मिक जागृती उत्सव दवरला. कार्यावळ कला अकादमीच्या दिनानाथ मंगेशकर सभागृहात 14 आणि 15 मार्चाक जातली.
That is the coming Friday and Saturday. It will be evening from 6:30 to 9 p.m. The venue is Dinanath Mangeshkar Hall in Kala Academy. So we are hopeful and confident that the people of Goa who will come to attend this 2-day program will go back, enlightened, enriched, and in a better way to face life in a very positive way. And we also have after the Jagriti, we have a 6-day Gita course which is coming up. So that course, the registration for the course will also happen during the 2-day Jagriti festival.
लोकसभा वेंचणुकेचेर दोळो दवरून मुख्यमंत्र्यान बजेट मांडला म्हूण फोंडा विकास समितीन टिका केल्या. मुख्यमंत्र्यान दिल्ली आश्वासनां आनी येवजण्यो तडीक लागतल्यो हाचेर समितीक दुबाव. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
कोंकणी भाशा समृद्ध करपाक गोंयच्या युवा साहित्यिकांनी आनी विद्यार्थ्यांनी हेर भाशांतलें दर्जेदार साहित्य कोंकणींत हाडचें. सर्जनशील साहित्या परस अणकार साहित्य खूब कठीण अशें लेखिका हेमा नायक म्हणटा. केंद्रीय साहित्य अकादमीचो अनुवाद पुरस्कार कोंकणी खातीर तिका फावो जाला. मराठी खातीर हो पुरस्कार फादर फ्रांसीस दी ब्रिटोक मेळ्ळा.
दुसरे कलाकृती सर्जनशील साहित्य कृती आपल्या भाशेंत हाडप हो कितलो कठीण प्रकार आसता हें म्हाका कळ्ळें. एका लेखकाक दुसऱ्या लेखकाच्या मनांत वचून ताका एक्झॅक्टली कितें सांगपाचें आसा तें सगळें ऑब्जर्व करूनच मागीर तें भाशेंत वर्णन करचें पडटा आपल्या भाशेंत. आनी ही बरीचशी कसरत म्हाका करची पडली. आनी आयज जेन्ना म्हाका हाचो पुरस्कार मेळटा तेन्ना म्हाका अर्थात हाचो आनंद भोगता आनी समाधानूय जाता. कोंकणी भाशा कशी समृद्ध जातली हाचेर आमी चडांत चड भर दिवपाची अत्यंत गरज आसा.
जीसीएचे 5वें वर्सुकी जीपीएल 2020 क्रिकेट सर्तीचें उक्तावण बुधवारा सांजे पर्वरे ग्राउंडार 6:30 सुरू जातलें. भारताचो आदलो कॅप्टन कपिल देव उक्तावण सुवाळ्याचें मुखेल आकर्शण. उक्तावण सुवाळो आनी ब्रेस्तारासान सुरू जावपी जीपीएलाच्यो मॅची प्रुडंटाचेर हेय फावट लायव्ह आसतल्यो.
The inauguration of floodlights will be done at the hands of Mr. Shivlal Yadav, who is Vice President of BCCI. Then one more new thing is we have put up big screen. This screen will be inaugurated by Brijesh Patel, and Kapil Dev will unveil the trophy of GPL, followed by so many entertainment, fashion show, etc.
8 teams. We have divided teams into two, Group A and Group B. Group A consists of Salgaonkars, Dempo. Then we have our own GCA Youngistan team, all young players from GCA, and Russia, which is first time coming in this year's GPL. Group B consists of Sarvodaya, Chowgulej, Gino also new first time in our GPL participating, and one team from USA which contains lot of experts from Pakistan and India who have played high level cricket. The first match will be with the Sarvodaya versus Gino. That is 2:30 will start on 13th, and the second match will be Russia versus Salgaonkar.
First there will be a league between the 8 teams and divided into 2 groups, and then top 2 teams will then again play league in the next few days, and then out of those 4 teams, 2 top teams will qualify to play the finals.
It's the consistency that will be rewarded with 2 consistent teams making it to the finals.
Yeah, absolutely. But you have to keep one thing in mind is that no run rate will be carried forward. So once you reach the second phase, it's totally a new structure there. So, you have to start from the scratch and then go on to, have a good run rate in case there is a tie or something like that.
गोंयांत पयलेच फावट .4x4 ऑफ रोड रॅली केप्यां जाली. थरारक अशा ट्रॅकार ड्रायव्हराच्या कळाशेचो खरो कस लागलो. पळयात ह्या ऑफ रोड रॅलीची कांय थरारक खिणचित्रां. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.